Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and then this is ER. Ngayon, ako ay nasa may Ayala Mall, Vertis North. At ako ay pupunta ngayon sa may Sebastian's Ice Cream. Okay? I will try yung bago nila ngayon na Rainbow Grilled Cheese. So come on, let's go! Ayan, dito na ako sa 4th floor. Pero I don't know kung nasaan yun. O sana mahanap ko na siya sooner or later. Hello everyone, nandito na ako ngayon sa Sebastian's Ice Cream and then I will wait for about 8 minutes to serve yung Rainbow Grilled Cheese. Okay, so by the way, ayan siya. Ayan, meron silang tinatawag na ayan, so ito na yung Rainbow Grilled Cheese. Ayan, so ngayon ang verdict natin dahil nakita niyo naman talaga medyo mainit pa siya, kaya lang it's worth 150 pesos. Yung tinapay niya naman ay okay naman, it's just an ordinary na tinapay. Then yung cheese naman niya is made up of mozzarella cheese. Kung ang tanong nyo ay may difference ba yung lasa niya kasi iba't iba ang kulay, wala. Kung tatanungin nyo din ako if it's worth the wait for 150 pesos, I think hindi. Kasi parang it's just an ordinary na tinapay lang na with cheese. But if you want to try something, you can visit here sa San Sebastian, Sebastian's Ice Cream. Ice Cream, tama. Dito sa Liberties North sa 4th floor. But again, just a disclaimer lang naman, no. So, siguro naman I have the right na magbigay ng comment because pero ko naman yung pinabili ko. So, I think that's it. Ayan. So, natapos na tayo kumain ngayon sa may Sebastian's Ice Cream. Kaya lang, pero na nabanggit ko, parang it's not worth it. It's because 150 pesos. Tapos, medyo maliit siya. Tapos, hindi siya ganun katamis because ito nga ay mozzarella cheese. But if you want to try, you can visit here. Ayun guys, and that's it. So ngayon ako ay pauwi na. So thank you for watching guys. If you have some comments, okay, suggestions, o kaya recommendations, o kaya mga challenges na gustong ipagawa, just comment down below. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Sashay away. See ya!